I'll only be doing it for like 5
Right,
minutes of a
Alfie.
test.
Yeah, we're doing a test stream because
Audio issues.
Ryan. Yeah, audio issues for the party because it sounded like Ryan was just talking to himself.
Yeah, I basically was.
He was just he said Fortnite.
Yeah, I'm just like firing some shots off just so we can see.
Shots fired! Shots.
Well, just so we can see like the volume. Okay. Now I got a notification saying everyone has joined.
On. Door flip.
I'm reloading.
Balls.
Gotta join the co-stream and then start broadcasting, because if I start broadcasting, also I will see the... Okay, can you put something in the stream? Can you, like, message something in the stream? Are you viewing the stream?
I will need to exit out of this one, go into my second account real quick.
Op 4 no longer has the hostage.
Where's the hostage going? Why is the hostage moving? Okay,
Shade on my day.
Next,
You didn't. Alfie, you're missing every single shot.
what's he doing?
Alfie, you got extreme bad action, you can't even hit him.
Okay, following.
Alfie, just eat him off. Eat him off the bridge.
It's not saying that my stream is up, apparently. Right, let me just check.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission
Oh, for fuck's sake! Heck damn it!
I'm gonna reset
this
my
always happen?
Wi-Fi.
Everyone's leaving now. Fucking right.
Yeah, just one second, hang on. Okay, I'm now going to put something into the chat. Okay.
Yeah,
There we go. Okay, and yeah, Kai's restarting his thing.
no, sure it's just me and you then.
Yep. Yep.
Yay. The classic duo.
Interesting. Very interesting, but terrible. All my choices were basically terrible. I got Lion with the 417, and I got
Need to find the hostage.
My choice. Good. My choices were Mozzie, the boy, Maestro, and Cav. So I was like, I'm not gonna choose Cav.
Okay, I'm probably gonna. Okay, yeah, 2 more minutes and then I'll stop my stream.
How much of the stream can you actually put onto a video?
I can put as much as I want. There's people who put videos on for 24 hours.
I live stream for like 10 hours. We should actually do that one day. Do a live stream on YouTube, but we don't need fucking.
If NCS is still on, do it then.
NCS is still on, but it's going to be held in September.
Hello there, sir.
10 seconds. Insertion.
Hello.
Anyone invite me?
Uh-oh. My ping's going a little bit.
Wait.
How dare you?
Did I hit you?
Yes, you did.
Wait, hey, stop.
Friendly mission successful.
Get some help. Now we're gonna fucking wait for that.
I don't know how I missed the move shot.
Oh, look at how... Bro. Well, at least we have the audio stuff done, so the party chat's included.
Okay.
That's sorted over. So, fuck.
Yes.
Random.